Hi, welcome to Wiki Procedure Info channel. In this channel, we provide information related to government-related procedures and schemes that you can follow and apply for documents and schemes in a much more easier way. We would recommend please do subscribe to this channel, which would help us create more videos of this kind, and also any information that we provide would reach you in a much more faster way. So in this video, we are going to how to renew your TESDA national certificate or the certificate of competency COC in Philippines. So we have provided all the information related to this in this page, and the link to this page is provided in the description of this video. If you scroll down and click on the link, it would take you to this page where you have access to the information. So the first option is how to apply through the center where you actually got the where you received the NC or COC certificate, and the second option is through the assessment center, generally to any through any assessment center or something nearby, and the third option is with the overseas Filipino worker. So I'll just first explain the for the overseas workers, so it's easy. So for overseas workers, what they have to do is they have to send their intention of renewing through an email. This is the email ID, and if you send an email to them about with your intention saying that you would like to renew, they would send you an email back requesting for some information and some documents and everything which you provide, and you follow the application for renewing the certificate. So that's for the overseas Filipino worker, and for the person for the person who is in the country, you can approach uh, the Technical Education and Skill Development Authority Assessment Center nearby, and they should be able to help you out. The link here, if you click on this link, it would take you to this page here where you can enter you can enter the center name, select the region, qualification, province, and select on search. That's the center name, qualification, region, and province, and click on search, and it would provide you the address of the office where you can reach and get it renewed. Or the other option is you can you can approach the exact same office from where you actually got this certificate, and they should be able to help you out with renewing. In case of like if the center is not available, then you could search for the centers that is that is nearby, but using this link. So what you have to do is you approach the center, and you would be provided with an application form. You complete the application form, and you have to provide the original certificate and three pieces of colored and passport size picture with white background, and certificate of work and or teaching experience for at least 12 months during the validity period of the NC or COC in the relevant qualification, and duly signed by the employer or the school administrator. And you also have to pay a fee, um, and what you have to do is, once you have submitted the application and all the stuff, they would process your application, and they would ask you for they would ask you to come in for an assessment date. Make sure you have the slip for the application that that you have submitted, and you have to get to the office on the on the requested date for the assessment. And once your assessment is over, and if they are happy with what you have done, then your certificate would be renewed. And we have explained all these things in these steps that we have listed down here, and hope and also, like, it generally takes like 7 days of time. So we hope we have provided enough information for this process, and like hope this video is helpful. Please do subscribe to this channel, which and also give us a like to this video, which would help us create more videos of this kind. Thanks for watching.